All right, we're here in Catonsville. As you can see here that we got the chainsaws going in the background. We had a couple trees that came down, took a couple spans of primary wire. We're gonna get that taken care of. We cleared up the trees already. Our next step is to fix the poles themselves. We gotta replace this pole that's sitting right behind us. Once that gets replaced, we're gonna start re-stringing all new wire. It's pretty intensified. It's about a 4 to 5 hour job, time frame hours to get this all going. Hopefully we have no hiccups overall and we can get these people back on. It's to my understanding we have about 60 customers off this line that's fed. Everyone out here has been extremely appreciative of us being out here. They've been offering us coffee and donuts, bringing us other baked goods and all. So we've been doing pretty good overall. This is my first time out here for mutual assistance in the Baltimore area working for BGE. It makes a lot of sense for us to help each other out. You guys got hit with a pretty severe storm overall. We're here to mutual assistance and hopefully one day you guys can return the favor.